Okay, for today's video, so we visited Kumaykay River Farm just last month, August. So, we have been planning to visit Kumaykay since we've heard so many good reviews about their food, as in lami gidaw and etc. And we also met the owner or the chef himself, JJ, mga around June of this year. So we got so excited and we finally able to visit Kumaykay. By the way, Kumaykay River Farm is an hour and a half drive from downtown of Cagayan de Oro City, and it's like mga 52 kilometers away from downtown Cagayan de Oro City. So yeah, that's the owner or the chef, JJ, and mind you, is very friendly even sa mga staff niya. Manotice gini mo nga they really love their boss. So what I love about Kumaykay River Farm is ang vibes, as in super very calming ang area, as in you're so close to nature. Ang vibes lahi lagi siya, same vibes with Dahilayan. And what's nice with Kumaykay, it's along a river na pwede lagi siya maliguan, but then at that time nga nanganak me, we were not able to do that kay di me prepared, but pwede lagi daw ko na siya maligo. Anyhow, so this is the entire area. Naaran ang river sa unahan, and this is the parking outside of the restaurant. And very simple ra kaayo ang structure sa ilang restaurant, no? As in homey, arapod ang feeling, as in homey. And this was a Sunday yata or a Saturday, kini siya nga day. So that's our view outside of the restaurant. Mind you, you can also do camping here. So I don't know if nakita na ko sa akong video na ay mga campers, or there were tents that has been set up sa ubos. And at this point of the video, JJ played the piano and one of his staff sang a song. And so mo ni siya ang panaog from the restaurant. You can also dine here sa ubos, and then so ubos pagid nga part, that's the there's unahan ay mga ga-camp, and that's JJ's house. So naasa unahan ang river, very relaxing kaayo din. Ma-recommend ako siya for the entire family. Also, if you love camping, ma-recommend din ako ang Kumaykay. So I hope to be back. We hope to be back since wala pa naman natilawan tanan ng ilahang food. The food lami gid siya, promise lami siya. May experience gini mo or matilawan gini mo nga kana bitaw passion yun sa nagluto ang iyang gibuhat, na agad siya made with love. Ana it ang feeling sa ilahang food. Sakto lang pud siya ang price, worth it pud, worth it, as in lami gid ang ilahang food. So we plan to be back maybe mga this month, because we wanted to taste other menus pa nila. So here's the video of the food. I hope you guys visit Kumaykay River Farm and enjoy po nimo ang ilang